Gems, welcome back. It's Lorena. Today I'm here with our monthly Boxycharm unboxing as well as the August updates. If you're new to my channel, I do this every month. I share with you guys what I got this month and then share with you what worked and didn't from the previous month. So if you're not at Gems yet, what are you doing? Join the Gems fam. Click the subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the like, let me know you enjoy this. And with that said, let's get into the month. So I'm actually going to switch things up. I kind of feel like giving you the update first. So for August, we had 6 products: the Lorac palette, the Becca Primer, the Smashbox lip product, the Wander gold eye masks, the Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner, and the NCLA So Rich Lollipop cuticle oil. So the Becca Primer. I'm actually going to start using this month. I was finishing up my Makeup Forever Step 1 mattifying primer, so I didn't open this, but it does have a very similar formula, so that's why I waited on this product. I do kind of like these primers, and I also find them kind of troublesome. I tend to just use this on my cheeks, my upper lip, my chin, just in the spots where I get very oily. I don't find it the best for like smoothing or anything, but it is good at mattifying, so I know how the formula works. I knew that I wanted to finish the other one first. That's why I haven't touched that one yet. But I do plan on using it. The Lorac palette, I actually plan on doing a whole eye look on it. I did use it. I'll include a picture here of the Instagram post I did with it. It was a really pretty, like, totally crazy eyeshadow look, but, like, still wearable. Like, even though I was wearing a rainbow in my eyes, I thought I looked good, and I went out like that. I ain't even sorry. But then the whole Lorac scandal broke out. You guys know the beauty community this past month just kind of blew the F up, and, like, people didn't know where to scatter, and I already wasn't really the biggest Lorac fan, so I was just like, I don't feel like putting something out there that would show support because I don't support her, like, in general. So that's why that is gone into my little giveaway bin. The Smashbox lip product, it wasn't a shade I was going to wear. It was too deep for me, so that's untouched, ready to give away. The gold eye masks, this actually worked really well. They're all gone, and I forgot to keep one of the packages, but I really like them. The Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner, I'm pretty sure I immediately put that in my giveaway box as well as the cuticle oil, just because I don't use cuticle oil and I didn't really need a brown liner. That product was kind of a fail for most people anyway, so I was just kind of iffy about it and I decided to give it away. If you guys can hear the bird, by the way, yeah, one of my family members recently got a bird. Not my favorite pet, but I'm sorry. We're just going to put up with her. So yes, moving into September's box, we've got another one of these tri-fold things. These aren't my favorite. I wish they would just go back to the single card. This whole folding thing is annoying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products this month. Pretty Vulgar, Laura Geller, Alamad, Lorac, and Butter London. I'm glad I didn't buy this kit. I was about to buy it. So let's start with that. This is the Alamad Cosmetics brush set, and mine already fell out of the packaging. Okay. So this is made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash line. So you've got all 3 of those. Not bad. I had been eyeing these when we got the Alamad palette. I was like, ooh, what else do they have? And I was like, those brushes look tempting, but I already have so many eyeshadow brushes that I was like, nope, don't need them. But they're here now, so yay for saving money and still getting what you want. Yes, girl. I actually do really feel like they're super soft, so I will let you guys know next month, but these are definitely staying in my collection because, yes, I already wanted them, so. Alright, next I'm going to go into the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. Oh, okay. Is this like the MAC one? It is. It's one of those pizza cutter liners. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. I've wanted to try one, but I've been hella cheap this year. So there it is on my hand. Okay, that's going to be weird on my eyeball. It also has like a weird, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. I'll try to do a close-up shot for you guys. But it has like a weird insertion thing. I guess because of the pizza cutter blade. But yes, let's see. This says Stroke of Wow. Oh, by the way, those brushes retail for $18. This says create precise ultra-fine wing liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. I do like the handle, actually. I like the grip you can get on this. The roll-on applicator does all of the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets even your boldest standards. Created with the longevity complex, this quick-drying, smudge-proof formula is guaranteed to last. MSRP $19. So yay, I do actually like the flatness. Like, it has this kind of a handle. I could see how holding it's very easy, so. Next, Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick. Go Pro with Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick. With the smooth glide of a gloss and the high pigment of a lipstick, this creamy, lightweight, and long-lasting Pro formula coats the lips in bold color that dries down to a comfortable matte finish. The pointed applicator delivers precise, full coverage that lasts without bleeding or transferring. This formula is infused with antioxidants and vitamins that your lips will love. This retails for $19. And I got the shade Mulberry, which, okay, I could see myself wearing this. Very pretty. Let's do a swatch for you. Seems like the typical applicator. Ooh, that's nice. That's very nice. I am digging this lip color. Yes. Thank you. I will definitely be keeping that Boxycharm. Alright, moving into the Laura Geller. This is one of their baked blushes, which, yay, because I've wanted to try these forever. This is a baked blush and brighten. Add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. Ooh, fancy. This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidant. Retails for $28. So again, I have wanted to try this formula, but again, I've been real cheap this year because I didn't have a job for most of this year. I am going to start a new one very soon. Very excited. Keep an eye out for a life update video coming soon, but okay, put on my brush and I see a whole bunch of nothing. So let's swirl with your finger. Okay, well that's pretty. Definitely has a sheen to it. Alright, I'll let you guys know next month because that one I definitely want to play with. Alright. You ever breathe in and your saliva goes wrong? Yeah, that just happened. Alright guys, last but not least, we have a palette from Pretty Vulgar. This is the Nightingale eyeshadow palette. Nightingale Smoky eyeshadow palette made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte, shimmer, and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. This retails for $35. I like the packaging, your standard cardboard. I think this is really pretty. I love the colors just in general of this layout. Ooh, okay. Nice big mirror. So it's like their other birdcage one, which I don't remember the name, but I had like no interest in that because it was all like reds and pinks and like freaking your usual warm tones. But this I can fucks with, like cool tones, neutrals, like everyday colors. It looks like mine may have been dropped or used. I don't know. Like this has an excess of like product on it, and then this one has like a dip, almost like someone touched it. But that's okay. That's okay. I just touched it too. Alright, so let's see. Oh, okay. Hello. Let's go with this beautiful grayish. Okay. Yeah, I can dig this. Yeah, I feel like mine may have been pre-swatched for me. That's alright. I forgive them. So, yay for that. Not a bad box, you guys. Eye palette I'm going to use. The brushes I'm going to use. I don't see anything I'm not going to use, to be perfectly honest. I might even try to create a full face using all of this. You want to see that? Let me know. Click the like. I think I'm going to try it, though. But yeah, awesome box this month. Like, yes, this is why I love Boxycharm. Not going to lie, last month kind of left me thinking, maybe I should cancel. But this month, you guys got me again, girl. And I'm loving this little wildflower thing. I might just cut this out because I really like it. I started bullet journaling last month. This would be really cute to just insert. Like, just cut it out, glue it in there. Anyways. Alright, so we've got 19, so 20, 40, 60, 60 and 30, 90, another 35, 120, yeah, close to $120. I rounded everything up, except for the $35 one. So, 19, I made it 20. 19, 18, 28, I rounded all those up, so 20, 40, 60, 90, plus 35. Yeah, you're looking at about $120 worth of product in here for $21. I am totally cool with that. I don't know who these chicks are, but alright, you girls are looking cute. And that's it, guys. That is the updates from last month. Again, last month was kind of a letdown, to be honest. I was kind of like, alright with most of it, but this month, Your girl is feeling this month. Alright, and your girl has got to run. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, join the Gems fam, click the subscribe, the notification bell, hit the like if you want to see more of these videos, and if you want to see me do the full face using this month's box, let me know by leaving a comment or clicking the like. And thanks so much for watching, guys. I have to get going, but I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.